just feel like absolute garbage right now. I'm also probably like a little bit overreached because I've been going pretty hard for a month now.
We'll get it.
I wish I could do it hand clean grip, but I feel like it's just gonna come flying right out. Alright, well that's out the window. So those are awful. Those are split squats in the front rack position. And as you can see, I was having a lot of trouble balancing, which is probably why they're in my program. Requires a lot of stabilization. As you can see, the weight is not that heavy and I'm pretty out of breath. So I hate these and I will not miss them whenever they are rotated out of the program. So, but hopefully they serve their purpose and help me get stronger in multiple planes. This will be fun. The animal rights activists are already getting after me again.
Why?
Oh, because of the shark.
Oh my gosh.
Why can't you just leave these majestic creatures alone? And I go to the lady's page and she has like 50 pictures of her dog. I'm like, I tell you what, I'll leave that shark alone when you open your door and give the dog the choice of whether the dog wants to stay with you or go out and be free. Alright, finished that one up, and that was probably the worst workout I've had in like 3 months or a month since I started, really. But, you know, we got in, we got it done. I subbed out an exercise because I just wasn't feeling very stable. So I did some single leg presses instead of step ups. Those felt fine, but as you can see, the front rack split squats felt terrible. The single leg RDLs were okay, and then the Swiss ball hamstring curls were awful as well. So worked up a good sweat, but I'm pain free, mostly feeling good. I didn't get a lot of sleep last night, so I think that's partly why I feel so terrible. I was also out in the boat all yesterday, being active, up late, all that stuff makes a difference. So wasn't ideal conditions, but came in, got some work done, and I'm feeling good. Next week is a taper, so we'll be able to back off a little bit, and you know, we'll see how it goes. But I still feel good. We didn't show it this week, but I squatted 435 for a single, felt awesome, and I deadlifted 470 for a single, and it felt awesome. So I wanted to show you guys a little bit more of the accessory work today, because I feel like you don't get to see that as much. And as you can see, we're doing a lot of single leg stuff, a lot of stuff that requires balance and core stability, which I was lacking today. But you know, overall, like I said, feeling good, and I'm excited for the next block and what Andres has in store for me. If you guys want to follow along, this training template is the Biolayne rebuild on the workout builder on biolayne.com. So you can actually follow along with me. You know, this workout's not gonna be for everybody, but if you're somebody who wants to build strength on the big three, squat, bench press, and deadlift, but because of time or because of injuries, you can't do the big three at a high volume, this is a great program and template for you, and the exercises are customizable to what you have available for you. So it's a really great option. If you go to biolayne.com, check out the Biolayne workout builder and click on Biolayne rebuild program, and I think you guys are gonna like it.